Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make omelette sabji. First, you will need to gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, finely chopped onions, tomatoes, and green chilies. Next, prepare a simple yet flavorful spice blend using turmeric powder, red chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Whisk the eggs with some of the chopped vegetables and spices, then cook them into light, fluffy omelettes. Now, let's create the rich sabji base. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and add the remaining chopped onions. Sauté them over medium heat until they become beautifully golden brown. Then, introduce the diced tomatoes, cooking them down until they soften and form a pulpy consistency. Finally, stir in a teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste for an aromatic foundation. With your sabji base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Cut your prepared omelettes into 1-inch to 1.5-inch pieces. Gently introduce these omelette pieces into the simmering sabji, ensuring they are evenly coated with the flavorful sauce. Allow the dish to simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes on low heat, letting all the delicious flavors meld beautifully. To finish your delicious omelette sabji, garnish generously with freshly chopped cilantro for a vibrant color and fresh aroma. Serve this incredible dish hot, alongside your favorite accompaniments like warm roti, flaky paratha, or fluffy steamed rice. It's a truly satisfying meal that's simple to prepare. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, remember to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.